Albert Pujols right there. Let me go back through the names real quick. Tom C. has the Diamondbacks. David G. with the Braves. Bruce F. with the Orioles and the Red Sox. Derek H. with the Cubbies. The White Sox, Joe W. Christopher J. with the Reds. Mark C. with the Guardians. Bruce F. with the Rockies. Joe W. Tigers. Matthew F. with his Astros. And Joe W. has the Royals. Christopher J. with the Angels. Dodgers and Marlins is Bruce F. Christopher J. has the Brewers. Bruce F. with the Twins, Mets, and Yankees. Christopher J. with the Athletics. Bruce F. with the Phillies. Joe W. with the Pirates. Bruce F. Padres, Giants. Joe W. Mariners. Bruce F. with this Albert Pujols. Joe W. with the Rays. Bruce F. Rangers, Jays, and Joe W. with the Nationals. So Pujols to 25 showing up here. Very nice hit. And then the Chase Burns to 99 is headed over to Christopher J. How about a Brent Rooker to 75? Brent Rooker to 75. Christopher J. in the Athletics. Getting that one. This one's real thin. All right, and our relic is King Felix. Is that another eBay 101? Yeah, it is. 199 out of 199 going to Joe W. So there we go. Congrats, Joe, on that one. All right, box 1 is done. On to box 2 here. Picked up 2 there. All right, here we go. CJ Kafis for the Guardians. Not numbered. Guardians is Mark C. Getting that one. So there's CJ Kafis base. All right. Our auto. How about Robert Hassel III for the Nationals? That's Joe W. Robert Hassel III, that's the 299. Next one's a relic auto. I didn't see who it is, but it's a relic auto. It's a triple relic auto. Here comes our triple relic auto. It is Marcus Semien for the Rangers. Bruce F. and the Rangers. Triple relic auto to 49. Marcus Semien. It's a nice looking card right there. And then our relic with a bit of pinstripe in it. How about Johan Santana for the Twins? Bruce F. getting that one. Johan Santana. All right. Last pack. All right. We got a Joe Caglianone. That is a rookie for the Royals. Joe W. getting that one. I think we got a bunch of extra stuff in this one. How about Sal Frelick for the Brewers to $2.99? Sal Frelick, Brew Crew. Christopher J. getting that one. We got a single relic auto coming up. And it is Kerry Wood. Wow, we've been pulling him left and right. $1.99. Cubbies, Derek H. There you go. Kerry Wood to $1.99. Single relic auto. So it's our second relic auto in this break. And we got two relics. We got Christian Moore to $1.99 for the Angels. And that's Christopher J. getting that one. Then we got a dual relic going to the Phillies. Harper and Turner. The Phillies is Bruce? Yes, it is. Bruce getting that one. To $1.99, Trey Turner, Bryce Harper. Dual player relic card. Alright guys, that'll do it. The other 6 boxes are separated between 2 breaks. Break number 1 and 2 both have 10 left. SBB 20 off will take 20% off too.